Good evening. My name is Niharika Kasula, and today I am going to present my product development assignment through this screencast presentation. In this project, I have developed an online broadcasting platform for Fun Olympic 2024. The main objective of the system is to allow users from all around the world to register, log in, and watch Olympic events live from their own device without any geographical or physical limitation. यो प्रोजेक्टको मेन फोकस चाहिँ युजर फ्रेन्डली सिस्टम डेभलप गर्नु हो जहाँ युजरले सिम्पल र इजी टु युज इन्टरफेसबाट सबै फिचर्स एक्सेस गर्न सकुन्. Now let me guide you through my assignment step by step. First, if we look at the content section, the project is divided into several stages including client meeting, project planning, scheduling, system design, development, testing, and evaluation. यो स्ट्रक्चर एप्रोचले गर्दा प्रोजेक्ट एकदम सिस्टमेटिक भयो र कुनै पनि इम्पोर्टेन्ट फेज मिस भएन. Now, let's move on to the client meeting section. During this project, I conducted 4 client meetings to understand the client requirements and collect continuous feedback. In the first meeting, we discussed the overall project idea, the purpose of the system, and the features that needed to be included. This meeting mainly focused on requirement gathering. In the second meeting, I presented the initial wireframe design concept. Based on the client feedback, I made several improvements to the system design. In the third meeting, I demonstrated the partially developed system. At this stage, the client provided additional suggestions which helped improve the project further. Finally, during the fourth meeting, I presented the fully developed system. After reviewing all the features and functionality, the client approved the project. यो final approval एकदम important phase हो because it confirmed that the system meets the client expectation. Now moving toward the project schedule. Here I have prepared a detailed schedule that includes all project tasks, estimated time, start dates, end dates, and expected deliveries. यो स्केड्युलले प्रोजेक्ट टाइमलाइन ट्र्याक गर्न सजिलो भयो र सबै टास्क टाइममा कम्प्लिट गर्न हेल्प गर्यो. Along with the schedule, I also created a Gantt chart. Let me show you my Gantt chart. The Gantt chart provides a visual representation of the project timeline and clearly shows when each task starts and finishes. यो चार्टले प्रोजेक्ट प्रोग्रेस मोनिटर गर्न र प्रपर टाइम म्यानेजमेन्ट मेन्टेन गर्न धेरै हेल्प गर्यो. नाउ लेट्स मुभ टु द मेथोलोजी सेक्सन. For this project, I used the Agile development model. Agile is a flexible and iterative development approach where the project is divided into smaller stages and iterations. Instead of developing the entire system at once, I completed it step by step and continuously improved it based on client feedbacks. यो एप्रोचले गर्दा सिस्टम कन्टिन्युअसली इम्प्रुभ भयो र क्लाइन्ट सेटिस्फ्याक्सन पनि हाई भयो. Now let's move to the system design action. During the design phase, I prepared different diagrams including wireframe, flowcharts, use case diagram, and data flow diagram. The wireframe shows the basic layout of different pages such as the home page, login page, and admin dashboard. The use case diagram explains how different users interact with the system and what actions they can perform. The flowchart illustrates the workflow of the system, including the login process page, page navigation, and data processing. Here we can see many types of wireframe such as wireframe of home page, login wireframe, register wireframe, admin wireframe, homepage recent news wireframe, homepage view of our game wireframe, homepage button new wireframe, admin panel message wireframe, news footer wireframe, admin panel schedule wireframe, admin panel watch video frame wireframe, photo wireframe, message wireframe, news footer wireframe, use case diagram, flowchart, and last data flow diagram. The use case diagram explains how different users interact with the system and what action they can perform. The flowchart illustrates the workflow of the system, including the login process, page navigation, and data processing, whereas the data flow diagram shows how information moves throughout the system, helping us understand the backend logic. Now, moving to the development section. For the front end, I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure, CSS is responsible for styling and designing, and JavaScript adds interactivity to this website. For the backend, I use Node.js, which handles server side operation. For the database, I use MySQL Workbench to store user informations, login credential, and other system data securely. Now let's talk about the system features. The system includes several important features such as user registration, user login, authentication, live video streaming, news update, game schedule, admin management panel. Now let me demonstrate the system. This is the home page of the website. From there, users can easily navigate to different sections such as news, games, and live streaming. Next, this is the login page. Users simply enters their email address and password. If credentials are correct, they can successfully log into the system. After logging in, users gain full access to available features, including watching live matches, checking game schedules, and reading news update. Now let's move to the admin panel. The admin panel is one of the most important components of the system. Through this panel, the administrator has complete control over the website. The admin can add new games, update schedules, manage users, upload video, publish news, and monitor overall system activity. The admin can also view important statistics such as the total number of registered users, available games, and overall system usage. So basically, the admin manages the entire system from the data dashboard. Now moving to the testing section. Testing is a very important part of software development because it ensures that the system works correctly. In this project, I performed several test cases including login validation, register validation, password validation, empty field validation, live video streaming validation. All test cases passed successfully, including that the system functions correctly without any major errors. Finally, let's move to the conclusion. In conclusion, this project successfully achieved its objectives of developing a functional and user-friendly online broadcasting platform for Fun Olympics 2024. The Agile methodology helped me complete the project efficiently while allowing continuous improvements based on client feedbacks. यो प्रोजेक्टबाट मैले रियल वर्ल्ड सफ्टवेयर डेभलपमेन्ट प्रोसेसको बारेमा धेरै practical knowledge experience gain गरे. Overall, this project was a valuable learning experience that enhanced both my technical and problem solving skills. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. I hope you found it informative. Have a great day. Thank you.